Hi baby, I'm Jungkook.
Let's talk about another topic. Let's talk about Jungkook. I love Army. That's it. You know?
오. 아, 이렇게. 오! Party, yeah.
Favorite English word?
오, 영어 뭐해?
Bracky.
Brekkie?
Breakfast.
What was it? Do we call breakfast as?
Brekkie. Yeah, that's a slang word.
I thought it was. I thought it was Becky, like Becky G or.
Bracky.
Anybody else?
Apple.
Apple. I like an
Sugar
apple.
crush.
Fry eye.
Who is your Hollywood crush?
I know her face, but I don't know her name.
What movie? What movie?
I know movie, but I don't know movie name.
미안하다.
Night apple is poison apple. Poison. Night apple is poison apple. You know? But I'm okay. Because I'm JK.
It's been a while, baby.
He is so handsome. Can't wait to see genius actor Jungkook. 감사합니다. Remind me of Matrix. 뭐? 롤.
You think we life will be a little longer today? Uh-huh.
모두 깜짝 놀라 벌벌 떨고 있는데 토토가 사자 앞을 가로막고 멍멍 짖어댔어요. 6월 13일 쿨 FM 06.13
Argue, interpret, translate, include, realize, admire, blame.
Have you tried? What's this? A little cinnamon, a little dough. Sort of like a fancy donut. Woo! Is it a churro? I want you guys to try this. Tell me what you think.
LA's time.
All right.
I want to eat.
Now, you said you were hungry. There you go. Everybody who comes to LA, it is a must. Like now. Now, the only last but not least, it's amazing. So there's that.
You got a view out in our country.
다음 정국 나와.
나왔다 우리 학교 간판이다.
안녕하십니까. 제 이름 전정국이고요. 반전에 관심 없습니다.
박수! 와! 앞으로 감사 인사 한번 해주면 되겠다.
감사합니다.
My favorite animal is a Brachiosaurus.
Brachiosaurus.
Yeah.
My favorite.
I feel Jungkook. Yeah, nice. It's a blessing. We can get so much love.
Yeah.
For
Yeah.
doing what we love
Good.
to. 맞나?
Yeah, that's right.
What we love to do.
Thank you guys. I'm very happy right now. You know, very satisfied. Thank you.
Yeah, next question. What did you guys love about making Dynamite and the music video?
Oh, that's an interesting question. I'm kind of like in charge of English here, so.
돌릴 필요가 없어. 왜? 이봐.
오리지널. 오리지널 왜?
You got something to say, go ahead.
I'm ready perform for you, Army. I love so much. Thank you.